Hey guys, Zach here, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be installing the carpet, the dashboard and certain parts of the car. You can see I've put in the carpet, it's blackened out. I'm not so sure why it looks horrible on camera, but in car it looks really great. I've put in back the sound insulation and stuff like that. Sorry about the fan guys, it's really hot. Make sure the wirings are all correct, make sure the holes, mounting points for the chairs are all there. Yep, it's all there, including that side as well. Make sure every part is all not covered up, including the back clip for the back seats. I've arranged the wires to make sure that it doesn't really interfere with the dashboard as well. Let's go to the other side. Also make sure all the clips are here. Alright, so I've rewired everything and make sure like for this part is for the gauge cluster. Alright, three connectors, and then this one on the right is for the top cluster for the signals and wipers and stuff like that. Sorry, this wait, shit, what is that? Okay. one, oh here, damn it. Okay, this one is for the wipers and the FM and stuff like that on the left side. And that's about it, I guess. This one is, I have no idea what that is. And then bottom part, this one is for the side mirrors connectors, you know. Everything is connected. Some of it does not need connection, to be honest. Some is the old Cefiro wiring, so I make sure the holes are all aligned as well. You can see that hole there. Not so sure why there's a hole there. Brake stopper, sorry, pedal stopper, I guess. I'm not so sure, but I don't want that. I mean, I want to pedal to the metal, literally. All right, so everything seems fine. I didn't fix the one for the rear passenger. You know how you have like there's a hole there. I'm not sure you guys can see. It goes through for the, okay, I'm not so sure where it is. I think I throw it away. It's for the aircon vent for the leg, for the rear passengers. So I won't have rear passengers, and if they need their leg cool down, yeah, just put it up outside the window. Yeah. All right, so everything looks good, everything seems perfect. I'm going to probably velcro tape here or something. Actually, hold on, gotta make sure this one slides inside here like that. Okay, this one slides inside as well. I'm gonna have a velcro, maybe not velcro, just tape it, something like that, to make sure that it sticks together. I'm not so sure why there's no clip though. I really wish I could just staple them, but I need a big ass stapler for that. So yeah, this one is the original Cefiro carpet. I think it's okay. Only this part here I did a mistake where I Tesla taped that cable a bit too short, so it's pulling this side as well. It's fine that I can just tie it up, but I don't want to stretch it too much. That way, if anything, I might rip it up apart. So yeah, I'm gonna put the pedal stopper, sorry, the leg rest, yeah, leg rest for the clutch, and put in the dashboard, and I'll be doing a timeline, and I'll see you guys then.